Iona here, engaging 8 steps in the creative process to bring us into connection with justice and harmony for all. And when we get to step 5, which we're looking at right now, we're looking at generative structure that allows us to evolve our own creative voice. Whatever our creative voice is on any given day, it's where we make meaning. It's where we feel the call to connect in a way that demonstrates that we're willing. We're willing to show up and not be distracted. We're willing to let the world know through our own connection to our own calling, to our own research of our own vision, so that we take action, and each action up-levels our creative process. It doesn't remain the same. For example, one of my very first creative processes after experiencing deep trauma and violence in my own life was to begin to move my hand on the paper, writing to myself, just beginning to write to myself. And my writing was very small and very cramped and very scared. I was very, very scared that somebody might see what I was doing and more harm would come to me. So I was very clandestine about what I was up to. But over the years and over the decades, I've become much more willing to step up and step out and take a role of self-appointed leader. That generates structure in my own life, and it gives me ideas and inspiration. And that then I share with others, and we become a very wonderfully engaged band of time travelers who are willing to generate structure, to evolve our creative voice, and to constantly up-level our willingness to be part of the process that unites and harmonizes our world at this moment in time. Iona here at Wren House, exploring 8 steps in the creative process, one by one in these 2-minute videos, so that you can string them together and see how they work for you.